under here, if I want to control the visibility, you can see that I can just do the little eyeball. I can quickly hide that layer. I can also hide my counts. A little harder to see, but you can kind of see the check marks flickering. If I wanted to hide everything, say that I had an entire list of takeoffs, I could hide them all at once, just like so. Okay. If I wanted to change the name or the color, I can just click on this and say, make a change to the name or the description or the color. That'll take place immediately. If I want to go into drawing mode, I'll click on the little green arrow and start to measure. Or we have some additional functions here. Again, edit will be the same as clicking on the name. If you want to change the name, the description, or the color, you can duplicate this. So say, instead of creating another takeoff and calling it 24-inch tile, and choosing area and setting the description and so forth, I could just duplicate this and just change the name. It's going to already remember it's an area takeoff, a little quicker workflow for you. I can add this to my library. I'll show you that in just a minute. Or if I wanted to delete this takeoff, I could delete it out and it would also delete all of the measurements with it, okay? So some different functionality we can do here. I did mention quickly the library here, and I'll touch on this again in future, but what that does is you don't have to create the same takeoff over and over again for all your future projects. So say that this 12-inch tile is one that's very common for me. I can add it to my library. The next time that I upload a new project, my project tab will be empty just because I haven't started anything yet, but I can click on my library tab and it will have all the different takeoff templates here, okay? This is also searchable, so I can type in brick and it will do my different types of brick. So this takeoff template library is a wonderful thing and will save you a lot of time.